Brad Williams, Excel primed. In this tutorial, we're going to add, but from 3 different worksheets. Here's the setup, pretty straightforward. What we have here are actually 4 worksheets. We have what we're trying to accomplish. And then we just set up cells 1, cells 2, cells 3, and just threw together some numbers. All you're going to do is set this up straightforward. It's just sum, and then you're just going to go equals, and then whatever you want to add up. So here we had cells 1. We just grabbed cells 11, and that would be B11. We did the same thing to cells B2, cells B12. Essentially, all we're doing is grabbing this number, and this number. How we do it, we just go equals, sum, then just grab this. And you can hold the shift key, hold this, over here. Nope, you can't do that. Sum, B11, then put a comma. Go over here to the 2071, put a comma. Cells 3, put a comma. You can close this out or just hit enter. There we go, 6001. What we tried to do here is sum, and then cells 1 to cells 3, B12. It doesn't work. Why? Because it'll go to cells 1. It won't add up cells 2. So you're going to have to go to each worksheet and include those. Even though it says sum week 1, week 2 over here on the right side, it doesn't work. So you're going to have to go in and if you have week 1, week 5, D6, it says it'll work. It doesn't work. Other examples, you can use count and average. Otherwise, if I hit F9, it's changing each time. Why? Because I set it up as a RAM between. If you need to know about RAM between, go to the RAM between tutorial. I explain exactly what it is. There's no mystery here. It's straightforward. If you're working with internal worksheets, I'll have additional training on. We have external worksheets, Brad Williams, Excel primed. See ya.